the robots are working autonomously. However, we all know that when peak season comes, it can get a little hectic. The volume increases significantly. Maybe the robots alone, the 2,500 that you're using, is not enough and you want to up it upwards of 4,000. This is what you can do. This system allows for hybrid induction, which is the robots plus a human. All you have to do is make sure that it's running in hybrid mode. You can kind of do that through HMI, hybrid mode. And it will simply keep a human fed at the downstream so that I can now help with some of the induction. It's gonna keep me fed. And once I'm fed, the robots will get back to work and I can add on to the inductions that the robot is doing. Great for peak support. Great for whenever the volume highly outmatches the capacity of the robot. This has been super exciting. My name is Jose Otema, signing off.